This video primarily demonstrates the area annotation operation in CoProcess software. Area annotation allows you to annotate the area of a closed-D region using three methods: picking internal points, selecting boundary lines, or drawing boundary lines. Picking internal points operation. Click vector greater than annotation greater than area annotation to activate the feature. A parameter panel will appear on the right side of the software. Select Pick internal points in the parameter panel, then click a point within the closed-D area to complete the annotation. Select Boundary Line operation. Click Vector greater than annotate greater than area annotation to activate the function. A parameter panel will appear on the right side of the software. Select Boundary Line in the parameter panel. Click the vector lines forming the closed area to be annotated in the viewport, then press Enter or right-click to confirm, completing the annotation. Draw Boundary Line operation. Click Vector greater than annotate greater than area annotation to activate area annotation. A parameter panel appears on the right side of the software. In the parameter panel, select Draw Boundary Line. In the view, draw a closed-D vector. After drawing 3 points, right-click to confirm, press Enter, double-click to finish drawing and complete the area annotation.